But this moss is super dope. Like, look at that. It's like jumping on a trampoline.
Okay.
So we've driven out here to get some shots of the moss and use my drone and get some really cool, you know, like footage, but it's raining. And it's been raining for the past couple of days, and it just rains and rains, and it stopped raining for like a good, you know, bit of the afternoon. We're like, let's go out now, and it's raining again, so yay. Rain. Okay, I'm gonna show you outside really quick, but it's raining, so bear with me. Okay. So actually, it's not as bad as I thought. Yeah, let me show you. It looks like, let's just do a quick pan. It's like so pretty. It kind of looks like, what's that place called with the dinosaurs? The movie. I don't remember what it's called, but you know, that thing. Jurassic Park! That's what it's called, but look, it's just raining and raining and raining, and it's still raining. Okie doke, quick update. The rain stopped, and I got some drone shots. So, life is good again. Okay, so we're on a hike right now. When I mean we, I mean more me, because everyone's ditched me. They're all the way down there. But on the upside, I have stepped into a Game of Thrones book or something. I've never read Game of Thrones, by the way, so I have no idea, actually. But look, there's literally, the earth is spewing out like heat. Steam, vapor, torridness, hot stuff, hot clouds, bellowing, steamy, fieriness, lava coming out of the ground breathing. I don't know, there's a whole lot of words, but heat is good. It's general, works. And there's sheep back there, and then just it's another world. I have stepped into a different world. If this is Mars, Mars is great. But this isn't Mars. This is Iceland, folks, and it's incredible. Okay, so it has been raining for like the past week, and today it was raining again, and then it cleared up, and then I got some good shots with my drone, and then we went on a hike, and I forgot my drone, which was ridiculous because it was gorgeous, and I forgot my drone, so that was not fun. But honestly, I was kind of lazy today with filming and stuff. I did not film the whole day by far. I didn't even do stuff most of the day. That was a little too honest, but yeah. Also, I just wanted to say, do you see how light it is out right now? You can see my face, right? You can see it is like 11:30 right now, and look, it is bright outside. It's light. You can be out like pretty much all night and you're good to go, man. You are chillin', cruising for bruising. Da 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 da. I don't even know what song that is. Is that even a song? I don't know.
Okay.
I can't even believe myself. I didn't even say thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. I am so rude. I apologize. But you know, there's more to come. So if you want to stick around because there's more to come. Da, da, da. Anyways, this is the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna go now.